This work is entitled Wide Babelki Bowl by artist Ursula von Rydingsvard. We were really excited to expand our collection of works by the artist and also have a work that's actually representative of the artist's practice. And she's best known for these large-scale wooden sculptures in outdoor public sites. So Babelki in Polish refers to the popcorn stitches or the small wool fluff balls that get knit onto sweaters, which she remembers wearing as a child. You can see the Babelki forms emerging on all sides of the sculpture. So Wide Babelki Bowl is made entirely out of cedar, which the artist has been working in since the 1970s. And if you look closely, you can see that this is meticulously assembled. As for the specific location, the work has a lot of visual resonances with the surrounding architecture, particularly with Rollins Chapel. It's also a stone's throw away from the heart of campus, and so this sculpture becomes a part of, as well as an observer to, the campus happenings. And as Wide Babelki Bowl almost looks like a geologic formation, it coalesces with the immediate landscape. It's also quite distinct from it, perhaps revealing something about its environment.